In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group notes in Evernote. Have you ever found yourself with an overwhelming number of notes and no clear way to bring order to the chaos? Grouping your notes through merging can be the perfect solution, and I'm here to show you how effortlessly it can be done. First, open the Evernote application on your device and navigate to the section where you'd like to start organizing. Now, to begin grouping your notes, you'll need to select the ones you'd like to merge. On a Mac, this is done by holding down the Command key. If you're using a Windows device, you'll do the same by holding down the Control key. As you hold down this key, go ahead and click each note that you want to include in your group. Choosing the right notes is key, as it sets the foundation for a more streamlined and organized Evernote experience. After you've made your selections, look for the Merge button. It's easily recognizable with its combined arrows icon located at the bottom of the Evernote window. This is where the magic starts to happen. By clicking on this button, you initiate the merging process, bringing together all the notes you've carefully selected into a single cohesive document. With the Merge button clicked, Evernote gives you the chance to arrange these notes in the sequence that best suits your needs. You can think of this as creating a narrative or a flow within your notes. It's about ordering your ideas so they make sense to you at a glance. Clicking and dragging to reorder gives you that flexibility. Once you've got your notes in the perfect order, Evernote generously offers a few more customizable options. You'll need to decide whether you'd like to keep the original notes as they are, or whether you're ready to move on and just keep your new merged note as the sole copy. This decision can depend on whether you're looking to preserve the original context of your notes or if you're aiming for a clean slate. Additionally, you have the option to add dividers between the content of each merged note. These dividers can be really useful for visually separating sections within your new, consolidated note, helping to retain clarity and ease of reading. Finally, when you're happy with your choices and the way everything is structured, click the Merge Notes button. Evernote will then take care of the rest, seamlessly bringing together your selected notes into one easily manageable document. And there you have it. Your notes are now grouped, neatly combined into one single document. By grouping your notes in Evernote, you're well on your way to achieving a more organized, efficient, and user-friendly workspace. I hope this guide has been helpful. Give it a try and see what a difference it can make in managing your information better. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!